Hello, it's about 3:39 p.m. and about 74 degrees. Seneca County, Ohio, Sandusky River. At least 3 different Indian tribe lands here. 3 trails here are actually named after 3 different tribes of Indians. They had a sign about the Indian history here. This is near Old Fort, a little town called Old Fort, and also a little town called Fort Seneca, or something like that, I believe. But it's a little south of Fremont and off of Route 53. You can see a little ravine there, and these steps with this cable here were put in by, I think, a troop of Boy Scouts. There was a sign up there. I was just walking along this ridge of the Sandusky River, rural Sandusky River, Seneca County, Ohio. Awesome little towns and farm country out this way.